Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel once again. Okay, so being an email copywriter, I chose emails because it's really very important, especially for small businesses, to use email marketing. And even though I'm an email copywriter, I've posted some content, useful content on my Facebook page and also personal page to give value posts for my audience. Okay, but um, if you're someone posting content on Facebook or in other social media platforms, there are some disadvantages. And for here, especially if you're using Facebook to post your content, you know what? It's obviously we also notice that Facebook is quite strict when it comes to content, and it's not unusual. You hear from your friends that some of their content gets banned or gets shut down, or what if they could just easily get rid of your content just like that. So in short, it's rented. It's Facebook or other social media platforms, it's not your own property. So you are like renting their property. So any changes or rules they may impose, so you have to follow. Okay. Anyhow, whereas when it comes to email, that's why I chose emails because email marketing it's really good because it's private. You're able to talk to your prospects one on one, like just like a friend, um, and it's your own property. Okay, so there's so many email service providers there, and here you can nurture them with content or actually emails is also considered ads. Okay, although it's organic form of ads. Okay, so you can have control over it, and not like Facebook, although Facebook is very popular. But I'm not saying that Facebook or other social media platforms is not good when it comes to conveying your message to your audience. I'm just saying that don't just rely on Facebook or social media platform exclusively for posting value content to your audience. Okay, I think that's about it. So thank you so much, guys. Don't worry because in my succeeding videos, I will dig deeper into email marketing because I'm an email copywriter who loves giving value to my own subscribers. So if you're a small business owner, such as an e-com brand, if you're ready to get your marketing to the next level with the help of an experienced email copywriter myself, so just give me DM, or you can communicate to me, chat me, because here I'm gonna show you from a client a screenshot of his email metrics. Here it is. So I there's revenue, so it will show you your performance metrics. So what's the best subject line at work, and here I was able to give him some sales. See that? So it's very transparent. So you know the progress. You know how to leverage the for your communication of your audience. So you know how to give value to them, nurture them, and convert those leads. Okay, thank you so much, hi guys. As usual, please do like, subscribe to my channel, and share this. And hope to see you again soon. Okay, stay tuned to my next channel. I mean videos. Okay, thank you. Have a nice.